What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram story video quality bad after upload. Firstly, get up onto your profile section and then go on the three dots on your right upper side. Then select for settings and go for account. Right after that you need to scroll down and go for mobile data use. This is one of the most important steps that you could do it to get up into this section. Now you need to make sure that this is turned off and get back, and also get to your camera section on your phone and then go on the settings on it. Here you can find out, on the right side, as you can see here you have settings. Go on it and then scroll down. As you can see here you have picture quality. Go for it. And as you can see, you have three options. If it's selected the second one, which is standard, this could get up to these problems on which you're gonna get it in Instagram. Now go for high quality picture. Then as you're scrolling down, you're gonna find out options which says press hold shutter button, click on it, and also record video needs to be on that section. Then scroll down, and also as you can see anti-banding here, this needs to be on the most, getting on these hertz. As you can see it is on the second selection, needs to be on more purity. As you can see, if it's on 50 it not be getting to this side, that's why it needs to be on that side. Now for that, I think that everything could be resolved and fixed on this side. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.